This is a different type of law firm and a different type of lawyer who works here.
There are attorneys that are a breath of fresh air, and these guys are it.
We think of our clients as extended family.
Hey, how's it going, guys?
I've always had this commitment to real casual atmosphere, but the work that goes out has to be perfect.
The level of work is very sophisticated. There's been some huge cases and settlements that have come through these doors.
We're a full-service law firm. We do litigation, we do probate litigation, we do estate planning, and we do transactional work.
The needs here in the South Bay seem to be growing.
It's hard to turn down good work.
We're now going to expand.
The quality of people we've been able to find make it worthwhile.
We're expanding into more employment law.
Intellectual property is expanding in all kinds of different ways. How you protect your rights in that area.
We've been able to find that competitive edge in the attorneys, as well as the paralegals and the staff that we've brought on.
A lot of hard work, but also a lot of caring that goes into what we do.
Each and every day, we all laugh really, really hard about something, no matter what it is.
Mr. Burton, how are you? I'm not sure that there is a better commercial real estate lawyer than Ken Burton.
They're straightforward. You know, there's no nonsense. That's what we like.
He's very honest and very, very professional.
I spend a great deal of time trying to convince my clients that they should avoid litigation.
Good to see you. Good to see you again, as always. As our relationship with Baker, Burton, and Lundy has prospered, so is Skechers as a whole, to as much as $2 billion in sales.
Kind of like seeing if I can't get people to shake hands at the end of the day.
I try to get you out of your brain and into your heart, because if it feels right, you're on the right path.
Brad is so compassionate, and he's so understanding, and he really knows what he's doing.
Brad was the only person who seemed to have our child or the minor's best interest at the forefront.
Peace of mind is the goal that I try to attain for my clients.
I almost can't imagine what it could have been like had we worked with someone else.
You know, estate planning is very personal.
Very clear and straightforward for a layman like me.
Brad's experience is helping people get from A to B in that estate planning process.
I trust him. Trust is the most important thing, really.
Albro is the guy who goes and slays dragons.
If he sees that there's been a wrong and it needs to be righted,
To find the bad guys and bring them to justice.
he's going to figure out a way to do it.
I have a heart that allows me to empathize with my clients.
I'm a lot happier. I have my husband back, and without Albro, I don't think I would have had him back.
Very caring and compassionate.
Albro took basically a non-winnable case, won it big time, and won Trial Lawyer of the Year.
Albro is very, very caring and compassionate.
Summer Watson was a case that struck me to the core immediately upon talking to her.
When I first came into the office to meet Albro, I was almost at a loss.
And she was weeping and telling me that she had been abused. And my heart just went out for her.
My life has definitely changed. It will be forever changed because of this, but I've definitely been able to move on and gain some closure.
She needed justice to get healing, and it's such a beautiful thing to see that.
Being in a small town like Hermosa Beach, we see our clients. We go out into the community.
I have never had an awkward moment walking down the street and running into a client. They know that we are 100% in their corner.
When we see a case that represents an opportunity to correct a problem in our community,
Something that's productive and important.
we take that case on and do what we can to make our community a better place.